Usually, makhana is had in its crispy form as a snack. But today we're going to make a sabzi out of it. We're making matar and makhane ki sabzi. Let's see how to make it. I'm using 3/4 cup of makhana. I'm going to roast this on medium to low flame until it catches a little bit of color and it becomes nice and crispy. We do this to get rid of any bacteria that might be there in the packet so that we consume something that is really safe to eat. As soon as it catches a little bit of color like this, you can take it off the heat and remove it into a plate. In the same pan, I'm going to start preparing the gravy. I'm adding in 2 teaspoons of oil. We're going to splutter 1 teaspoon of jeera. As soon as it is fragrant, you can start adding in half an inch of ginger that is finely chopped and 1 green chilli which is cut into half and then slit. To this, I'm going to add in some peas. Once you see that the oil starts splashing a little aggressively, you can add in tomato puree. I'm using puree of 3 large tomatoes. Add in a little bit of salt to maintain the color of the tomato. Cover and cook this for a couple of minutes. Let's check on the tomato. The color looks absolutely beautiful, but this needs to cook a little more. As you can see, a lot of the liquid has evaporated from the tomatoes. It looks nice and thick. At this point, I'm going to add in chopped coriander and we're going to saute this for a minute so that it retains its color. Looks like they need to cook for a little longer. Time to add in our powdered spices, starting with half a teaspoon of haldi, 1 teaspoon of red chilli powder and 1 tablespoon of coriander seed powder. Toss it around for 10 to 20 seconds so that they release their aroma. And now we're going to add in about 1 cup of water and a little bit of salt to adjust the seasoning. Give it a mix and bring this to a boil. Once it starts boiling, I'm going to add in our roasted makhana. The makhana is going to absorb all of these flavors and become silky and soft. You can adjust the consistency of the gravy as you like. Let's cover and let it cook for a couple of minutes. This smells so amazing right now. The makhana has softened and absorbed a lot of the gravy, making it nice and thick. And after boiling for a good couple of minutes, it's ready to serve. This smells really amazing right now. The makhana has absorbed all the flavor and it has made the gravy thick as well. Give this unique recipe a try and let me know how it turns out. This is Chef Bhumika signing off from Rajshri Food.